In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Wix. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to open up Wix and you can see what my font size is currently set to. I'm not currently logged in, but that doesn't matter. You can see this is for demonstration purposes. So now in order to increase your font size, we need to head back and then we need to go to our settings app on our device, scroll down and click into display. Once you're inside display, again scroll down and look for font size and style. It's going to be near halfway down the page. And then inside font size and style, you're going to notice a slider that under font size. So if we move the slider to the right, it's going to increase it. And if we move the slider to the left, it's going to decrease your font size. So I suggest keeping it near the right hand side and just choose what size suits your eyes. And then from here, go back, open up Wix, and it should be changed accordingly. If it doesn't change, you need to exit out of Wix, go back. Now click back into Wix, and you should see it increase. So there you go. So yeah, just go ahead and play around that slider back in settings, and it will change accordingly.